In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the IFS function in Google Sheets. If you want to categorize values based on multiple conditions, the IFS function is a simple and efficient tool to use. It helps you test several logical conditions in one formula and return a result as soon as one of those conditions is met. This is especially useful when you are working with things like grades, score ranges, performance labels, or any situation where different values need different outcomes. To begin, enter your data into columns A and B. In this example, you can use column A for student names or labels, and column B for marks or scores. Make sure your data is organized clearly before applying the formula. Keeping your sheet neat will make it much easier to understand the results later. Next, click the cell where you want the formula result to appear. This is usually in the next empty column beside your data, such as column C. Once the cell is selected, type the IFS formula in this format. Equals IFS followed by a logical test and the value to return if that test is true. Then additional logical tests and return values as needed. The basic structure is useful because it lets you handle multiple conditions in a single formula without needing several nested if statements. For example, if you are checking the marks of students in a class, you can enter a formula like this, equals IFS. B2 greater than or equal to 90. Return A. B2 greater than or equal to 80. Return B. B2 greater than or equal to 70. Return C and B2 less than 70. What this does is evaluate the score in cell B2 and assign a letter grade based on the range it falls into. The formula checks each condition from left to right, and as soon as one condition is true, it returns the corresponding grade. That means the order of the conditions matters. You should always place the highest range first, followed by the lower ones, so the results stay accurate. After entering the formula, press Enter to see the result. If needed, you can copy the formula down the column to apply it to the rest of the students. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the cell references for each row, which saves time and keeps your grading consistent. That's how to use the IFS function in Google Sheets to evaluate marks and return clear results based on multiple conditions. Thanks for watching.